Hi, today I'm going to try to help you learn how to blow on a piece of grass and make a pretty goofy sound. It's kind of windy out right now, but it's not that bad. Let's call it this. So you're going to want to get a piece of grass. And when you start from the top and pull down gently, it's going to feel pretty fuzzy, like hairy, maybe on one side, kind of Velcro-like. On the other side, it's going to feel pretty smooth. Okay, and you're going to want to get a piece of grass that goes from over the tip of your thumb. This is working real well. From the tip of your thumb to the bottom of your hand. You can see it sticking out on both sides. Okay, so once you've gotten your piece of grass, you're going to stick it between your thumb, and then it won't be windy in the house, I'm sure, so you're just going to clamp it down in your hand, and you're going to take these two fingers, pointer fingers, and pull up until it's nice and tight. Mine is pretty curly. I don't know if I can get it to fit straight. Let's try it again. So after you clamp down here, you're going to pull it up with your index finger. Okay, and now you don't want it to touch either side of your finger. You can't see it right now because it's too thin, I guess. When you pull up until it's nice and tight, you don't want it to touch in between, you just want it to sit there. Okay, now you're gonna blow like you're blowing out about 100 birthday cakes, as hard as you can. Now there's a little bit at the end. It sounds more like firecracker. I hear the beat. Kinda, we're getting there. I didn't test this piece out before I started this, so I don't really know if it's gonna work. It'll be in my head. Alright, well, you kinda got the idea when I tried the first couple of times. Maybe it's a plane. I don't know, it sounds like it's right above my head. So I hope you picked out a good piece of grass, and good luck blowing it out, and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.